बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि जिस तरीके से अलीगढ़ को रिसीव किया गया है वर्ल्ड वाइड, और जिस तरीके से हिंदुस्तान के लोग और मुंबई शहर के लोग आतुर हैं इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए, इससे यही लगता है कि अगर हम मतलब वाली फिल्में बनाएं और मतलब वाली फिल्मों पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दें तो दर्शक काफ़ी हैं, उत्साह काफ़ी है लोगों में, वो कभी भी आपको जो है निराश नहीं करेंगे। Right. Yes, I came to know through Twitter that an Indian film is opening my festival after 17 years, which is quite an honor for us, and that too, when I'm part of Aligarh, and which is creating such a buzz around the world, and not only around the world, even in our country, which is about a professor who's gay. So it's an amazing honor. I just hope and pray that after this festival is over, after this screening is over, the word of mouth is strong for the release time. Yeah. My career has changed. I mean, I'm old enough now. My career will not change any further. But definitely, I really want Indian cinema to change after this. Indian cinema to change for better for all the actors who are coming after us. They will have ample chances. They will be fearless, in doing these kind of roles. This is what I want. Actors and filmmakers should be fearless in expressing their creativity, their opinion on the screen. And this is what Aligarh is going to do. And I'm very thankful to the entire team for accepting me in this role, which is not only path breaking, but it's path breaking in many sense for this nation. नहीं, मेरे लिए क्या है कि मैं अब 22 years in this film industry. Nothing surprises me now after so many years. But yes, I'm always looking for great roles with no fear, no insecurity, and there is no career plan as such. So Aligarh is one more film, one more great film that I have done in my career, and I'm very happy that these kind of subjects are being made in this country. I really thank Hansel for choosing this film.
This film is about raising your voice against intolerance in our society. Right now, a lot of intolerance is going on in India as well, be it writers, filmmakers returning their awards. Do you think this is a very poignant subject in this day and age?
I would say that who's not returning award and who's returning award is a democratic country. Everybody has an opinion. Everybody has a right to do so. I don't have anything to say about it. I would just say that at this point of time, when all of you are here, all of you are gathering here for this moment, which is a path-breaking moment in Indian cinema, which this gives me ample reason to be very happy.
करीब यही वक्त जब बहुत सारे और भी फिल्में आई थी, और उसके पिछले साल सिटी लाइट्स भी करीब
जी
वक्त पे आई थी, तो मामी को साल दर साल कितना बेहतर पा रहे हैं?
बहुत ही बेहतर पा रहे हैं। आई थिंक हर साल इम्प्रूव हो रहा है और मामी की ग्रोथ हमारी आंखों के सामने है। हर साल इसका जो औहदा है वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि हमारे शहर में, मुंबई में एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल है मामी, क्योंकि बहुत फिल्म लवर्स हैं यहाँ पर इस शहर में, और ये हिंदी फिल्म का गढ़ है ये शहर, तो यहाँ पर तो ऐसा फेस्टिवल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और इस मायने पर हो रहा है, तो बहुत सराहनीय बात है ये।
हंसल मेहता के साथ आपका एक रिश्ता है, बहुत ही विशेष फिल्म है।
I'm very happy. He's like family to me now, and this is our third film together, and inshallah और भी होंगी आगे अभी. And this is a very special and very important film of our times. So I'm just waiting for the feedback now. It's our first screening in our country.
राजकुमार, अगर बात करें इस फिल्म की, जो सेंसिटिव टॉपिक छेड़ा जा रहा है,
जी,
आपको लगता है देश की गवर्नमेंट तैयार है इस फिल्म के लिए?
गवर्नमेंट से इस फिल्म का क्या लेना देना है? देश के लोग तैयार हैं, लोगों के लिए फिल्म बनी है, ऑडियंस के लिए फिल्म बनी है, एंड आई थिंक बहुत हमारी ऑडियंस आजकल बहुत ओपन है एंड दे आर रेडी टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद फिल्म। एंड और ये फिल्म ऐसी कोई इसमें कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है, ये सब जो फिल्में हैं वो हो रहा है आज सोसाइटी में, और उसकी कोई वॉइस नहीं थी। सो थ्रू दिस फिल्म आई थिंक वी हैव अ वॉइस नाउ, और गवर्नमेंट और फिल्म का ऐसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। Yeah, yeah.
But of course, intolerance, as you know, has become almost a sad buzzword right now. What do you feel about this? The tolerance for intolerance, so to speak, and as an artist?
No, I feel very sad about when we divide people as per their sexual preferences. I think we all are human beings first, and then anything else. And I think each to his own. We have no right to interfere in anybody's personal life and whatever they're doing in their bedrooms or with their love life. I think it's their own decision. We are mature enough to decide for ourselves.
And you know, lots of filmmakers just earned the national awards. As an artist, also, do you feel that you are living in society, living in city as a whole? Do you feel that kind of atmosphere exists?
I think being from FTI, I can absolutely understand what students are going through, and I'm with them on that. As far as returning the national awards is concerned, I think it's the people who are returning it's their own decision, and it's very courageous of them. I would definitely say that. But I think it's their way of protesting about whatever is going on in the institute. I respect the decision. Thank you. Thank you.
Right, and right. Extreme right. Extreme right.
This is my first time in India. I'm having an extraordinary time. Such a thrill, such beautiful people, beautiful films, an amazing country.
Like here, you are heading an international jury. What are you excited about and what are you looking forward to from an Indian film festival?
Yes, so I'm the head of the international jury and made up of a beautiful array of artists who are here to watch all of the films from around the world and name a winner for the Mumbai Film Festival. I think Indian cinema has inspired filmmakers from all over the world. And so we're just so pleased to be here to celebrate the magic of film.
Has anyone in particular inspired you? Any Indian filmmaker or actor?
Yeah. Well, I'm a woman filmmaker, so I love Indian women filmmakers. I'm a big fan of everyone from Meera Nair to Deepa Mehta to Gurinder Chadha. Shekhar Kapoor as well is a friend of mine. So I love Indian cinema and just really feel fortunate that I was invited to come here today. Not a lot of African American filmmakers are invited to travel the world, and Mumbai is the first film festival that's asked me to be the head of a jury, and I'll never forget India for that. I really appreciate it.
You know, obviously you've done a film which is about intolerance at a very large
Yes.
level. Unfortunately, that's become a topic of
Yes.
discussion here
Yes.
as well.
Yeah.
What do you feel about that, the growing trend of artistic intolerance across the world and perhaps here as well, whatever you know?
Yes, it's a big question, the idea of artistic intolerance and the fact that the artists are really leading the movement. Nina Simone, who was a great artist, once said that if an artist doesn't represent the times, who will? So it's really important that artists speak out, that they push a freedom of expression, that we rally around the idea that there can be nothing but cooperation when it comes to the artistic voice. And so I know there are a lot of challenges with that here, and I support artists wherever they are.
Did you also get a chance to interact with Javed Akhtar, who was awarded the excellence?
To say it again?
Javed Akhtar, who was awarded the excellence in Indian cinema yesterday. Did you interact with him? What do you think about it?
Yes, well, yes. I mean, what an honor to meet him. He was very kind. He welcomed me and said some very kind and lovely words to me. The thing about Indian cinema is the rich legacy. I don't think enough people around the world understand the generations and generations, the decades of stars, both in front of and behind the camera, that Indian cinema has produced. And so it's wonderful to learn more about it. At the Mommy opening night last night, I got to see clips of films from the 70s that I'd never seen. Really fascinating, and loved it. I don't know their names, but they looked really good. They looked really good. I don't know where you find these older Indian gems, these jewels. We don't have access to them in the United States, so I'd love to see them. Maybe while I'm here. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
right corner. Vintaji, right, Vintaji. Right corner. विजय पहले यहाँ पे, विजय जी पहले राइट पे, विजय जी राइट पे, विजय जी राइट पे।
What are your expectations for the stars coming?
Yeah, when I go and I know who has to come. I've heard the story. I think it's a very interesting story, and I'm excited to watch it because of Hansan and Rajkumar Rao. Yeah.
This is very it's about intolerance and homosexuality and all of that. It is very important in our day and age where there is so much artistic tolerance going on with people returning their awards. What do you have to say about artistic intolerance in general?
I just think that art is above and beyond all boundaries. Art is actually a unifying factor. It brings people together, and that's how it should be. That's how it should be. That's how it's meant to be. Yeah? Thank you.
Right corner here.
जब जब तेरी सूरत देखूं, जब जब तेरी सूरत